everybody?
Greetings.
Welcome to Vlogmas day 23. 23. It is Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. And you know what that means? It means it's time to get this house cleaned. It's already later than I wanted it to be to start cleaning. But hey, we have the entire day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
zero plans.
this morning, well actually I should say this afternoon, I had an Animal Crossing island visitor, Liz. She came to visit Sky K, which is our island on Animal Crossing. So I gave her the little tour of our houses, and should I explain why our island is called Sky K?
Probably.
So, Skye is an island in Scotland in which we visited, and it's one of my favorite islands, I guess.
Islands in general.
It's an awesome island. We visited it, and the K part, C-A-Y, comes from Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island, which we visited on our honeymoon during our Disney cruise. So, Skye from Isle of Skye, and Key from Castaway Cay. Sky Key! Dan is an islander on my island because I created the island. We thought you could create multiple islands if you have different users, but apparently you can't. So, Dan is just one of my
resident.
He's one of my islanders. Don't worry, he pays rent. No, I'm just kidding. He has paid rent.
I do.
Because when you're not in charge of the island, you could just blow all the money you make on fun stuff.
It's true.
It's true. But yes, so we had a visitor on the island, we had breakfast, and we also watched Christmas movies. We watched Muppet's Christmas Carol, and I put on Mickey's Christmas Carol, which I forgot how short that was because it was over in a breeze. Now we have Noel on, and I'm going to get to cleaning this house because it's been a while.
Has it been that long? A little bit long.
Yeah. There's dust.
There is dust.
There is always dust because we have forced air, so we can't ever get away from that. But time to get cleaning.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
We are back in the kitchen and back making cookies. Bonus cookie day.
Bonus cookie day.
Alright.
Hashtag bonus cookie day.
So,
Woot! Bonus cookie day.
cookie day. Finally got my cookie cutters from Amazon because I had a set of cookie cutters and I don't know what happened to them. I don't know if I left them at home after college or what. But
They have ugly sweaters.
I know I have that's gonna be fun. But all of the cookies that we make on other cookie day have some form of nuts in them. My mom is allergic to, or she has reactions to some nuts. We're not sure exactly which ones yet, so she just avoids them all because she hasn't gone to get the allergy test quite yet. But I decided I would make a regular sugar cookie, like cut out sugar cookie, so that she can have it. So this one won't have any almond extract in it. It'll just have vanilla extract, and yeah, she'll be good to go.
Sweet.
So so we are back at it. Cookie Day, part 2. On this Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve, yeah.
Christmas Eve, Cookie Day. Woo-hoo. Alright, the cookies are done and cooling and getting ready for us to frost them tomorrow. Right, Dan?
Yes.
It is now Advent calendar time! The second last day of this Advent calendar is so sad. Minnie Mouse. Oh. Nice. Minnie Mouse, and what will it be today?
I'm gonna say PCs, and then the last day would be a miniature.
Yeah?
PCs.
PCs.
Now we'll see if the last day is a miniature or if it's just PCs.
PCs. Okie dokie. I bet you I'll have a piece of chocolate.
I'm 100% sure you will. Just what will it say?
Santa's loading his sleigh. Yeah, I suppose he probably should
You better
start
be.
ahead of time, because that's a lot. Little elf. How appropriate. Leave it there. Probably see it in the morning. I had 2 today to have, so that was fun.
Yeah.
So we had a pretty productive day. I'm going to finish out the night with some wrapping, I think. Yeah, that's what he said. And got some good cleaning done today. And got cookies baked. Yeah, good stuff. I have laundry in the dryer that I still need to get out.
Yeah.
Poo.
I did 0 things.
You played Animal Crossing.
Yeah. Other games on my phone. Watch TV.
You helped with cookies.
Okay, I help with cookies.
Ta-da!
I moved so you can clean too.
Yeah, you did. Good job. It's like, can you move? Can you move? Well, we will bid you adieu for this Christmas Eve, and we shall see you on Christmas Eve. Good night.